Did you know that while preparing a corpse for mummification, the ancient Egyptians did not remove the heart, as they believed it was the center of a person's being and intelligence? Tonight's feature is no different. This monster might be dead, but I can assure you it's full of heart. Keep watching to see how this makeup wraps up.
Begin by gluing down those eyebrows. Then take the Skin Illustrator Grunge palette, taking Prairie Dust to lighten up my brows. With the Buggles Pro Classic Colors No. 2 palette, use Ochre to sponge some texture, followed by Rust Red out of that same palette. Went back to Skin Illustrator Prairie Dust and added that over everything. Next, using Muddy Waters out of the Skin Illustrator palette, spatter over the other colors. Back in with the Grunge palette, this time with sand, spatter for some more textures. Using the Collective Cosmetics eyeshadow color Cern, start to sketch out the mummy face, all the wrinkles and teeth. Grabbed a larger brush to start some of the larger shadows, building it up for a very emaciated and dry look. Got a fluffy brush and started to contour some areas. Finish up the teeth, then in with the Collective Cosmetics Abyss eyeshadow. Really start to deepen the shadows with a thinner brush at first, then moving on to a fluffy one. Take the Skin Illustrator sand color and paint in the teeth and start adding highlights to the high points of what we painted. Painting it sort of blotchy at times to create more textures. Using black Skin Illustrator, really bring out the dark areas. In larger areas again, I'm painting blotchy, so it looks more interesting. Also use a thinner wash of black to add some softer shadows. Back with the Collective Cosmetics Abyss color, widen the shadow spaces and softly blend out. Use a much larger brush for some softer darkening. Spritz it all down with Skin Illustrator Zero Marble Sealer. Then use the Prairie Dust color, build up some midtones. Again, this is painted loosely and creating uneven coloring. Go in and sharpen up between the teeth with the Skin Illustrator black and add some more dimension to the mouth and a few other areas. Build up some larger random shapes to start creating a distressed look to the skin. Grab the sand color and touch up the teeth, multiple size highlights over the whole look. This isn't going to be the brightest color, so I'm pretty heavy-handed with using it. Using Skin Illustrator White, add the brightest highlights on the teeth and more over the rest of the face and neck. Bring back some of the shadows around the mouth and a few other places. Then with the larger brush, really carve out and contour areas. Use Kat Von D Lash Liner on the waterline and smudge it out with a brush. Once the contacts are in, fix up around the eyes. Added some white in the middle of the lid to make them look more bulbous. Put the bandages on and use Skin Illustrator Dark Brun and spattered over them to dirty them up a bit. Then you're done. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I got more Halloween makeup tutorials coming every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday during the month of October. See you next time.